Okay, go to number 9. Okay, so these are the ones where there's stuff on the outside. Everything after 9 has stuff on the outside. So you need to move all the stuff on the outside first, and then you can set them twice and one equal to another. Okay, so what do we need to move first? We're trying to get the bars all by themselves. The 3. So I'm going to say plus 3 on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to write it down here, but. Okay, so I got plus 3, plus 3. So I got absolute value of 8 plus m is less than 15. Are my bars all by themselves now? Yeah, so now we can set it twice. So I got negative 8 plus m is less than 15. And what do I need to do with the other one? Flip the sign and make it a negative. Okay, and I want you guys to take a second to finish solving that one.
Did you get your haircut?
Yeah, I did. So if you have an excused absence, you still need to do all the work?
Oh,
I thought so, yeah.
You do? I think you, don't you get like extra days or whatever?
Yeah.
You get an extra day for the amount of time you're out for an excused absent.
So like if you're out for 5 days, then you really have, after you come back, then you have 5 days plus 1?
Yeah, well, I think it's
Plus 2 or 3.
one for every day you're out.
Yeah.
So if they're out 5 days, then they have 10 days to get back?
That's what I thought.
I don't know. The student doesn't really make any sense to give them anything anyways. Okay, so I'm going to say plus 8, and I'm going to do this fast because you guys should already have it done. M is less than 7. M is greater than negative 7. Okay, so on my 7, I got, it's going to be, some of you guys jacked this up the other day, but from 0 to 4, what's that tick mark going to be in the middle of it then? It's going to be 2. So 2, 4, this one's going to be 6, 8, 10. Okay, so my 7 is going to be between these little two. And I'm not that particular, like, I know what you mean. If it was about in the 7 area, okay, if it's way over here, like, no freaking way. You knew that that wasn't a 7. I know that's not a 7. If it's somewhere, like, it's good. Because there's really not that much room. So at 7, it's going to be open, and it's going to be pointed to the left. And at negative 7, it's going to be open and pointed to the right. Okay, so they both go in. So is that going to be an and or an or? And. Okay, I would like you guys to cross off the entire back page. Here we are. Okay, we're just gonna like adjust the. We might adjust the schedule, we might not. It just depends. Okay, so cross up the back page really big. Don't just cross off one little thing, okay? Because then I'm gonna freaking forget. Okay, so Ethan, same thing. You don't need to do the back page. You're only doing 1 through 14. I'm gonna do one more. These are all 1. This one's a 2. So let's look at 14. Okay, 14. What is on the absolute value outside that needs to be moved?
7.
The 7 and what else?
The 9.
The 9. Okay, you always move the addition or subtraction first. So what needs moved first?
The 9.
The 9 needs to move first, so I got a minus 9 from both sides. Okay, so I got 9 plus 7, k minus 5. It's greater than or equal to 44. Okay, so I got to subtract 9 from both sides. So I got 7 parentheses k minus 5. It's greater than or equal to, and I have no idea. 35. 35. Okay, now what? We need to move the 7. How do I move that 7? So it's not subtract. So remember like this? What's this mean when they're right next to each other? It means multiply. So we really got to divide both sides by 7. So I got k minus 5. And that's going to give me a 5. Is my absolute value all by itself? Okay, so now what am I ready to do? Yes, sure.
Divide.
A bunch of huh?
Divide. No, wait.
What do I need to do with the equations?
Oh. You gotta get the K.
We do, but so how many times do we need to write this?
Twice.
And what do I need to do to the other one?
You have to flip the sign and you have to make it negative.
Flip the sign and make it a negative. So instead of it going this way, it needs to go this way, and it needs to say negative 5. You guys finish that one and graph it. It's going to be closed this way, and the 0 is going to be this way. Okay, the rest of the sheet is going to be your guys' to do. There shouldn't be too god-awful many on there. I really don't know because I didn't.
We should have 7 problems.
Okay, that sounds good.